If you are using conditional access policies to prevent users from logging in outside of trusted locations, you can use Augmentt to set your named locations. To set named locations in Augmentt, navigate to Secure, Policy Management, and then Named Locations. From here, you can view or edit your existing named locations, create new named locations, or copy named locations from one tenant to another. To edit your existing named locations, click on the existing named location, and then click on the Edit button. To create a new named location, click on the Create Named Location button, and then select either country-based location or an IP-based location. You can either copy a named location from another customer or create one from scratch. Once configured, you can use this named locations in your conditional access policies to ensure that users only log in from trusted locations.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.